In front of me is Oukitel WP35 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings, look for location over here and click on it. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!